biggest ick. When you use the egg in the carton, don't put it back in the carton. Take it out and throw it away. Like, why? Bro, are you gonna make something out of freaking egg? Stop calling me. Anyways. Okay. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna have to clip some of this. I'm gonna have to clip bits and pieces because it's steaming. I'm gonna spray some more because just to be safe. Don't do that. Don't do what I did. Don't spray all that. Do not. Anyways, you crack your egg. If this turn out bad, I'm gonna